Finally, you can learn how to sail in Okinawa with the newest American Sailing Association certified school in Japan called Sailing Okinawa. Starting in October 2022, Sailing Okinawa provides lifetime sailing certification courses from beginner to advanced that are recognized throughout the world. These courses will help make you eligible to rent and charter boats in the United States, Europe, Caribbean and U.S. military bases. Our weekend basic keelboat course, ASA 101, will teach you to dock a boat, tie various boat knots, show you how to sail upwind and downwind, and will teach you techniques to rescue crew overboard in mild conditions. All under the guidance of an ASA certified sailing instructor. ASA is the world's leader in sailing education. Our 3-day weekend coastal cruising course, ASA 103, will teach you how to navigate the coast of Okinawa and the Kurama Islands. How to anchor a boat, and how to sail in moderate conditions. We are the only school in Okinawa that provides this advanced lifetime sailing certification course, along with an ASA certified sailing instructor. Our 3-day weekend bareboat charter course, ASA 104, will teach you how to prepare and provision a boat for charter in the United States, Caribbean, or Europe. This lifetime certification course will help make your YouTube sailing dreams a reality. Sailing Okinawa is the only school on island that provides both basic and advanced sailing courses certified through the American Sailing Association. Demand for our limited courses is high. So please contact us today at sailingokinawa@gmail.com.